This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any Instagram link with using Google. At first, you have to open Google Chrome, type google.com in the address bar, then press enter. Input the company name but don't search right now. Formula, company name, space, Instagram. Example, Assemblo space Instagram. Now press enter to search. In the Google first page, you can be able to find company Instagram profile. Right click on the Instagram link. Click on the open link in a new tab. Open the tab. Company Instagram link.